Okay, this is a little video of the internet presentation of the AmmoCAN phase angle meter. Right now I have it in the V1I1 mode. It is turned on, and this is the generic screen. It gives you the data up here for the phase, the voltage, current, the angle. Let me change the angle here a little bit. Okay, you can see I've changed it to 10 degrees, changed it to 40 degrees. Changed it to 110 degrees. So that's basically what the angle does. And what I can do here on this screen is I can enter a 1 for PT ratio. So I'll put 120 for the PT ratio, typical of like a 14 kV bus. Okay, I've entered the PT ratio. 2 for CT ratio. Whoops, that's 2 up here, excuse me, 2. And they will make the CT ratio 400 to 1, or 2000 to 5. And now, instead of the individual harmonics, I have the primary values down here, which shows the watts, vars, and all that. Okay, and what I can also do is I can set up events. If I'm leaving, obviously I have it on the internet, I'm using it to monitor something. So I can set up events for it to monitor. The standard is under and over voltage at 10%. Okay, so let's say that I'm going to drop the voltage down to 100 here for just a second. Whoops, I didn't. Let me enable the event log first. Let me enable FTP posting, so it will also post it to the server. And let me try that again. Knock the voltage down to 100 and back. And you can see I have event 1. What the voltage was, what the current was, and what the angle was. Okay, and the reason you want, for an undervoltage, you want the amps and the angle, so in case there was a fault, you know what the current level was and what the angle was, to see where, in respect to your substation on the system, that the fault occurred. Okay, it'll also do overcurrent the same way, with the default alarm being 5 amps, but you can enter various values that you want for the fault level, and they'll be multiplied by 1,000 when using the Rogowski coil. Okay, I can change modes. I click the main menu button and wait a few seconds for it to actually get back to the main menu, and I can go to say the V1, V2 mode. You see over here it now has V1, V2, and the angle between them is the same voltage. Positive, negative sequence voltage are equal. Got the voltage harmonic distortion. And this is I can go to any other mode. I can go to V1I1, V1I2, the clamp on, the row coil, and I can clear the event log, which I will do right now. I just cleared the event log, got rid of those events. I've already noted them. I can disable the event log recording. I can disable the FTP post. And if I click here, I can see the FTP data page, which, if I shut this whole thing down, this remains permanently on the server as a record of voltage and current anomalies. It would also have, if I drove the current up, it would have overcurrent events and all that. And I can delete that log if I want to. So that is a picture, basically, of the internet capabilities of the machine. Thank you for watching.